What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I installed my Kinky Curly wig by Jams Glam Room. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so all I'm doing for this first part of the video is making sure my edges are laid. You can use gel, you can use edge control, whatever works for you. I prefer to use edge control first and then use gel on top, like the Got To Be glue gel. That way my edges do not turn white. So everyone, allow me to introduce you to my Kinky Curly wig. She is a 9A beautiful textured kinky curly, nice frontal lace wig from Jams Glam Room. And I really like this hair because it actually resembles my natural hair, and that's exactly the look I was going for. This wig did come pre-plucked and knots were already bleached. The only thing I did to this wig was tint the lace. That's why the lace is matching so perfectly to my skin tone, because customizations were already pre-made and I did take the extra mile to tint my lace. I encourage everybody to tint your lace, that way it matches your skin tone perfectly. And one of my biggest things when I'm installing my wig is I like to go in sections, because trying to do all that stuff at once makes a mess. Your stuff turn white and it's not cute, sis. So just make sure you start doing it in sections. You'll get a lot better results out of taking your time and installing a wig versus you just slapping the wig on and go. Because if you slap this on and go, it's gonna look like you slapped it on and you wince. Also, I'm not going to be showing this on camera, but I am going to be applying 3 coats of this lace glue. Okay, so this next technique that I'm using is an elastic band to help melt my lace. I like to use this because it helps my lace dry faster and stay in place while I'm trying to style my hair. So one of the biggest things I loved about this wig is that you don't get all this dang on shedding. Like, nobody want that kind of wig. So this wig was exactly perfect, and it was true to what it said in the description. So definitely check out Jams Glam Room when you have a chance. So one of the biggest tips I'm gonna share with everybody, and this is important to making sure your lace looks like your scalp, is use a razor when you're cutting off the excess lace in the front. Do not use scissors and do not cut straight across. Otherwise, you're going to see a straight, harsh line, and you could be able to tell where your wig starts. Okay, y'all, so all I'm doing is trying out different hairstyles to see what I like the best. You know, you could do it half up, half down. You could do it all the way down. You could do whatever style you want to do with this wig. It literally matches my natural hair to the best state. One of the biggest things I'll say is make sure you keep this wig moisturized. Curly wigs will last longer when you keep them moisturized. But that's all I have for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you care.